marlin, Bobby. Keep that line tight. If you can reel in, reel in. First fish of the day, and it's a marlin, and it's pollard. Good job, Paula. Good job. You're gonna have to reel, backing down on them. Keep a bend in that rod. Not bad, Bobby. First fish is a marlin. Huh? How's that? He's getting close. Good job, Paula. It's right down below. Good job, you got him. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. A little bit more, Paula, and we got him. We're almost there. We're almost there. Good job. Reel, 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 reel. Nice, taking off again. Reel, 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 reel. Okay, we're gonna get him this time. Reel, 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 reel. We got him. Billy. It was that nap that did it. Was it a sale, Daniel? Mai. All right, we got dinner. Wow, he's out there. He's out there, Billy. I saw him jump. I thought it was a sailfish. This thing's big. Yeah. Man, he was out there, Bobby. Go, Billy! There he is. We got dinner. Nice fish, guys.
Congratulations there, Robert. All right. We eat tonight.
Show us how to do it.
Come on, Paula. Woo. He is way out there.
Way out there. Taking line?
Yeah, lots of it.
Good, you got the big one.
It's gonna be a biggie.
Nope.
It's still taking line.
Told you 12 o'clock. You're 7 minutes early. 7 minutes early, Tom.
Thank you. That was my beer. I just lost.
Ways to go on this one. So
Slow and easy, Paul.
keep a bend in the rod. That's all you'd have to do. It's not a race. Keep a bend in the rod. Do this.
Hang in there, Paul. Keep cranking. Yep. Going straight down now. Oh, all right. Oh, all right, Paula, you got a beauty. Whoa! Hey!
Look up, Paula.
There is one happy girl, I'll tell you.
Here we go. Williams on a fish. Woke up from his nap and decided he'd catch something. Got a decent fin.
Sailfish right there, sailfish right there.
Sailfish. Yeah, right belly. Follow his line out. Right where he's pointing now, and you can, if he jumps out of the water, you can have a picture. He's dead in back of the boat now. When he gets closer, they'll usually jump when they see the boat, but sometimes they'll do a lot of stuff before that. He's gaining ground on him. He's coming in close now. Yeah, he's got him close now. Just aim right over his head. Yep. Okay, he's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up. He's coming up. Here we go. See him? See the shadow in the water? Right there.
I got my glasses on, so you gotta point.
He's almost on the surface. Right there. Here we got the leader. He's not jumping at all. Now he's gonna jump. Come on, let's see him.
Ready to take eventually.
Billy, you want a picture? No. No. Let him go. Let him go.
Get it.
Good job, William. All right, guys. Thank you. Moving line here, Jeff. He's in Mexico. Oh, God.
That guy is way out there. That guy's halfway out of here. He's gonna have some fun cranking this sucker in. Just turn the little handle. Wow. Got some strain on that fish. Nice going, David. There you go, Robert.
See what it was?
Nope.
Looked awful silver. Look at that. What is it? The mahi mahi. The nice one. The nice one.
Mahi mahi. So get him, Robert.
He's putting another bait out. Putting another bait out. The bull's out there, or the cow. Who's next?
Paula,
Okay.
ready to give me the camera?
Pay attention. See, he's leaving it in the water. The teaser. Use him as a
Got it.
teaser.
We got another one. We got two at the
We
same
got a
time.
double.
Oh, there you go.
Well, that's your triple crown, Paulie. You haven't caught one of those. See, we use him as a teaser.
Yeah.
Oh, triple crown. Blue marlin,
Sailfish.
sailfish, and a mahi mahi. Bob. Right in the bucket. There we go.
Watch this over here. Yeah, Paula, getting hers right up close here.
There we go. Hold him right there. Hold him right there. Watch out, Bobby.
All right. Big widescreen TV. All tile floors. And this is a day off from fishing. Oh, bath, double sink. And great size shower and tub. And down here, we have another bathroom right here, and two bedrooms. Kitchen area with Robert and David, where we cook our fish when we catch it. Dining area here, a living area over here. And another big screen TV. Patio with a fisherwoman sitting on it. She's done a grand slam of fishing in the last 2 days. This is the our view from our patio. the golf course, as you can see. And there's a little mountain behind it. And this goes over to another patio. This patio is off our bedroom. And of course it's pretty much the same view. It is beautiful here. And there's another complex next door. And there's a little area between it with some garden with some interesting shrubs in it. Flowers or whatever they are. And that's pretty much it. Except for one interesting tree here. You have no clue what those things are. They're hanging right there. Never seen a tree like that one. But anyway, that's it. Goodbye for now. El Capitan. Aquí.
Here we go, first fish. Little rocky here. Hold on with your feet.
¿Cuál era? ¿El chiliteto?
He's gaining on him now. Whoa. Rocking and rolling. Whatever he is, he's going. Okay.
I got a jump ball.
That was a catch. There's something following us out here. And they're pitching baits to him. Been doing it for a couple minutes now. I have no idea what it is. I think I just saw a fish though. He's following us. The cat's up top telling these guys what to do. Hang in there. Come on, fishy. Take the bait. Take the bait. He's got a big rod out there with a big bait on it. Hopefully it's a big fish. No. Right next to his bait?
¿Ah?
something here. Come on, guys. Come on. Jeez. He's been following us for minutes. He's not taking any bait. I can't see him at all, Billy. Was it a marlin or a sail? Come on, take the bait, take the bait. Damn it. Damn.
Bobby got himself a fish.
Rubbing this on a sailfish.
He's out there somewhere. Look at them legs.
Right.
Look at that. That fish doesn't stand a chance.
They let him take that bait.
Come on, jump for the camera.
He's just kind of lazily. There he is. I don't know if we can see this dark mass in the water here, but whoa! Bobby got his bath for the week. What is that? I'm not sure that's a sail. Huh? Is it? It's a sailfish, yeah?
Yes, yeah, I saw her.
Here he goes. He's getting feisty now. He's getting feisty.
Come on, boy, jump.
Jump for the camera. There he is. There he is. Back up, Bobby.
There he is, sailfish.
Vai, 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 la bota de arriba. Vai, la bota de arriba.
They're gonna want you to sit in the corner. Good job, Robert.
I wet my pants.
I know. I know.
Sit in the corner.
Sit in the corner, Bobby. Look at that, baby. Okay, guys. Good job. Good job. We got him. Oh, the captain's taking a picture. Beautiful fish. Oh, nice sailfish out there. Nice sailfish. Yeah, he's splashing around. Oh, he's doing some dancing. She's a veteran now. She's doing it stand up. Yeah, I lost him. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We almost got the leader. Almost. And he's taking off a little again. Here's him, here's him, here's him. We got the leader. We got the leader. Oh, nice. Paul's getting her bath today. There you go. Cool you down a little bit. Cool you down.
Dígale. Baja.
Sword to go right through you. Nice fish, Paula. What a beauty.
He's blue and white right now. Bill's got a fish on. He was taking his nap, which is always a good sign.
Come on, Billy!
He's got a Dorado. Taking some line on him. Yeah. Taking some line on him. There you go, Bill.
Come on, Billy Big!
Paula catches her fish at noon. Bill takes a nap, and that's when he gets his. Hey, and he gets a shower to boot. Jeez. So if you can see that, he's blue right now. He's blue and white. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. he just turned green and yellow.
Come on, Billy boy! Good fish, Billy!
Nice fish, Bill. Nice fish, Bill. Whoa. Okay.
Go get him. Molly, can you move over to your right? Yep. Lean against your chair, that's fine. Hey, running fast. Somewhere over there towards Panama, Dave's got a fish. Good strain on that fish. Come on, jump for us. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, if the fish is coming at the boat, you got a lot of slack line or going under the boat. He kind of goes ahead a little. see him yet. Gotta be getting close.
Entre los que tengan un Toyota, Daihatsu, Inno o Lexus de cualquier año y retiren el sticker en Club de Motor. Recuerden que el primer carro se lo pueden ganar el próximo jueves 15 de febrero a las 7 de la noche en Ciudad Toyota. Restaurante Eterno, restaurante argentino. Conoce de Buenos Aires, en un único lugar. En Plaza Escazú. Inglés, liso, cómica, mecánica.
The headfish does not want to come near this boat.
Oportunidades de capacitación y formación profesional en carreras de gran demanda dentro del desarrollo del país. En INA nos estamos preparando para nuevos retos.
Yeah, we can see the leader.
Acérquese al mar y conviértase en un trabajador exitoso. Prepárese usted también.
There he is. Okay, there you go. That's a big one. All right, look at those colors. All right.
Holy cow!
All right. How's that, David?
That was nice. Good job, guys. Whoa, that's a nice sail.
Well, I guess we got something here.
Wow. Look where the line is. The line's going to here and the fish is... I was waiting. Good thing we got two cameras. That thing was jumping and jumping. Robert S. Man of Steel. Got another nice sailfish on. Said we wanted one more to end the day. Captain's slowing down, he's gonna back in on him. Backing down on him. Snapped him off. We had the leader. Good job, Robert S.